Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can share YouTube video on Messenger app. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your YouTube app to copy the link. So I want to copy this link of this video. So you can see over here three dots, and you will see over here share button at the fifth button, or like at the fifth option. You have to simply click on that, and then you have to simply copy the link and then go back and then go to Messenger and then paste this link in the chat of your friend or like group there you want to share this link. So I want to share it with my friend. So as you can see, you have to simply press on this message button and then paste over here the link. As you can see, this link is about this, and you have to simply do is click on send button, and then it's going to be send it to your friend as well. So that's it. That's how you can share YouTube link on Messenger. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.